Hello everyone, welcome to monthly recap webinar of FlyWP April 2025. So here's the key updates from last month. We have actually focused more and more on backup and securing how you can effortlessly create a functional and restorable backup of your site. So we have revamped our whole Google Drive backup system. We have added European Union support region for Cloudflare R2. Also, there have been plenty of small bug fixes and enhancements, and we're going to talk about this webinar. In this webinar, we're going to talk about what is going to be our next big feature. So first things first, let's take a look at our Google Drive OAuth integration. What we have done with Google Drive, what we have done with our Google Drive backup is now you can effortlessly add your Google account as a backup provider using OAuth. And this is how you do it, just a demo. So you just have to click on Connect Google Drive, and you're going to have to select your account. And that's it. You don't have to create any other third-party accounts, any service accounts from Google Drive. It will be completely automatic. And then you just click on Add Provider. It will add your Google Drive backup provider. So if now you want to set up the backup, you just need to go in your site settings, and then from here, you can actually select the Google Drive that we just have added and copy the root folder ID, paste the root folder ID that you want to store your backup in. The profile will automatically install as usual, and you will be able to take a backup directly on your Google Drive, and there is no more service account necessary. Also, Google actually have deprecated that feature. So it will create the backup, and the backup profile is successfully installed. We will be able to find the backup in directory of our Google Drive. Here's the backup. So this will improve our Google Drive backup feature, and you will be able to schedule backups that will be fully supported, and definitely this will work with both free and paid Google Drive plans. Next, we have Cloudflare R2 EU region support. So for European users, we actually have our next update that you will be now be able to comply with GDPR readiness, and this is completely future-proof. So if you want to store your data regionally, now you have the option in FlyWP directly. So let's also take a look at that. So let's say you want to store your backup in Cloudflare R2, which is, by the way, a great backup provider. So you just have to click on Cloudflare R2. I'm not gonna add the account, but here you can see that we now have a location difference, and now you don't have to manually update your Cloudflare R2 account ID and everything. It's completely automated. So from here, you can actually just select the European Union region and keep your data and keep your compliances all in the same place. Next, we have some minor improvements. Dark mode fees have been applied to our styling issues, and also there will be no more duplicate emails. We have also improved the email verification method, so there will be one single email as it should, and there will be no duplicate emails in your accounts when you try to verify your account with FlyWP. So this was a really short webinar because we have been working on something on the back. Uh, this is our site migration feature. Maybe a lot of you have already noticed that you have now an option to migrate your sites. A lot of people in the community have been talking about it. And this is going to be our next big thing. As this is a complex feature and this will include a lot of our dependencies, we're going to do a complete separate webinar on that feature alone. So thank you so much for being with us today. Thank you so much for using FlyWP. We are always looking for your recommendations and ideas, how we can improve more. And if any of you have any problems migrating or uh, trying out that beta feature that we have right now, you are feel free to reach out to our support. So that was all about today's webinar. Thank you so much for attending, and thank you so much for seeing this. See you on the next webinar.